Hello, hello, and I am live. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever part of the world you're tuning in. Welcome. Welcome back to my day 24. Wow, 24 na tayo. And today's topic is something I really want you to think about. Imagine if you started 1 year ago. Imagine kung 1 year ago you decided to learn that new skill. Imagine kung 1 year ago you started saving. Imagine kung 1 year ago you started taking care of yourself. Imagine kung 1 year ago you finally started working on the dream. Again, I will repeat, imagine if 1 year ago you finally started working on your dream. Where would you be today? That question is powerful because sometimes we're waiting for the perfect time. Pero ang totoo, time is going to pass anyway. I've learned this through my own journey. When I first started learning about online business, I didn't know where it would take me for real. I don't know where I go. I don't know where I started. Hindi ako techie. English is not my first language. And I had so many questions. I had doubt. I was skeptical. I have fear. But I decided anyway. I didn't try to learn everything in one day. I simply took one step at a time. Then another day, another steps, then another day. And that's what consistency taught me. Small actions repeated over time can create a big changes. And I want to make something clear. Consistency does not mean you're perfect every single day. Hindi ibig sabihin na every day you're motivated. There will be a days when you're tired. There will be the days when you don't feel like doing anything. And that's okay. There will be days when life gets busy. And that's okay. Consistency means you keep coming back. You miss one day, come back tomorrow. You make a mistake today, learn and try again. Sometimes doesn't work. Something doesn't work, adjust and keep moving forward. Don't quit just because you have a hard or bad day. To all my fellow immigrants, to my audience, thank you for everyone who always tuning in, watching, and following me for all your comments. Thank you, thank you. Maybe you're watching this and you're thinking, Lisel, ang dami kong responsibilities. I understand that. Especially if you're an immigrant, a wife, a mom, or a breadwinner. We have work, we have family, we have bills, we have people depending on us. Sometimes we think, wala talaga akong time. But maybe you don't need, but maybe you don't need 5 hours. Maybe you can start with 15 minutes. 15 minutes to learn, 15 minutes to read, 15 minutes to work on yourself, 15 minutes to work on a dream, on your dream. It may not feel like much today, but imagine doing that consistently for 1 year. That over 90 hours of focused time, small step matter. Don't wait for motivation. It's always there is another day. Another thing I've learned is don't depend only on motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Consistency is a choice. There are days when I feel excited. There are days when I feel tired. But I remind myself, just do the next small thing. You don't have to finish everything today. Just move forward. One post, one lesson, one call, one page, one workout, one prayer, one small step at a time. Think about your future self. And I want you to imagine yourself 1 year from today. It's August 2026 now. And I want you to imagine yourself 1 year from today in August 27. And you look back at today. What would you wish you had started? What skill you would wish you had to learn? What dream would you wish you had worked on? What habit would you wish you had started that that will be a good habit or a bad habit when you will start? Now, here's the beautiful part. You don't have to wait until next year. You can start today. Start today, right now, because tomorrow is not a promise. Your future self will thank you for your decision today. Maybe you're starting from zero. That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's results from 2000, 20 years ago, or 10 years ago. Don't compare yourself. Just focus on your own progress, on your own journey. Small progress is still progress. And if God places a dream in your heart, don't be afraid to take one small step toward it. You don't have to know the whole plan. Sometimes, sometimes God only gives us enough light for the next step. Take it now, then take the next one. So I want to ask you something. If you started something today and stayed consistently for 1 year, what would you want to accomplish? Maybe it's a personal goal, a personal financial goal, a family goal, a health goal, a business goal, or simply becoming a better version of yourself. Tell me in the comments below. I want to hear from you. 1 year from now, I want to finish that sentence. Let's encourage each other. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my day 24. My gosh, it's getting close. I am so proud of myself. And today's reminder is simple. Don't wait another don't wait another year wishing you had started today. Start small, start imperfect, start scared, even you have doubt, even you're skeptical, do your due diligence, but start anyway. Because 1 year from now, you'll either be glad you started or wishing you had. So take that first step. Action is the key. Keep showing up, keep learning, keep growing, and trust God with the result. You don't have to change your whole life today. Just make one small decision today that your future will be thankful for. So, guys, if you're following me, again, today is Tuesday. We have live workshop that we offer to everyone who want to learn what I am doing. We have free live workshop. My website is there. Register to my website so that I can send you all the details and how you can start your online business today. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning. Thank you for being here with me. And I will see you tomorrow again for my day 25. Keep believing, keep taking those small steps, and remember, consistency may look small today, but over time, it can change everything. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful Tuesday. See you tonight for our live workshop. Again, register to my website at www.mrsstevensonline.com para may padala ko sa inyo ang detalye kung papaano kayo makakapagsimula kung ano ang sinimulan ko dati 8 years ago. So, see you in the inside. God bless, guys. Take care. Bye. Love you all.